Hello Others, welcome back to our channel Devintelle. Today we will see how to move inventory between store location directly from the cash register. So let's see about that how it works. You can see here module there POS internet transfer. First install this module, so click on this activate button. Now our module is installable. First go to POS app, go to configuration menu and under the settings, provided here option for the internet transfer, allow this option and also provided this two option auto validate transfer. If you want to auto confirm and validate transfer on creation, for allow this auto validate transfer. And if you want to show all the stock quantity at the source location, so allow this partial option. And now select your source location where stock will be moved. Like I want here this stock to destination location is say fun. Let's say now go to dashboard and continue sharing from this furniture shop. Now select here a product like a block stain and go to this action menu and provided here three menus: internal transfer, transfer order item, and if you want to view this history then use this transfer history. First I want to this internal transfer and your source location and destination location auto load here. And now add here transfer reason, like I want this restocking for this product, and use this search option, search by the name, barcode and internal transfer. I want search by name like block screen and suggested name display here block screen wood or white. I want this wooden, so select here and display here this product with available quantity, and if you want to add here more quantity then use this option. And write here any specific note for this selected product. Now create this transfer, so click on this button and display here this info transfer created or validate this. Now again select this another like a cabinet with door and again go to this action menu, and now I want to transfer order item. So see here this same transfer line in first select is our block screen with available quantity 5 and cabinet with doors display here available quantity total 18. Now again I want to add reason like inter-store transfer. Now again create transfer for this both product and again display here info transfer created and validate this with number. Again go to this action menu and now I want to view history for this both transfer product. So click on this menu transfer history and display here total 2 items and both items in done state with created history and with reason display here. When you select then display in details. So using this our app you can easily move inventory directly one location to another location. If you found this helpful, do it like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching this video.